Hi everybody, it's me, Debbie Siebers, and I am so excited to tell you about my brand new program, Body Dynamics 2. It includes several routines. There's a standing balance warm-up routine, followed by a balance and agility routine, which, as you know, is so important, especially as we get older. There's an easy, low-impact cardio workout, Pep in Your Step, that includes a warm-up, as well as I have an anti-aging workout using weights to target the major muscle groups. There's a mat routine specifically designed to improve bone health and strengthen your core. There's a seated and standing stretch. Yes, I've heard all of you loud and clear that you don't want to get up and down off the floor, so I created this option just for you. There's an upper body blast routine using light to medium weights to help you build endurance and strength while toning your muscles. It is so important as we age to do our strength and resistance training, not only for our muscles, but to strengthen our bones too. And last but not least, I created an easy chair yoga routine for those of you who have certain limitations. I can't wait for you to give my program a try, and I really look forward to hearing from you. Have a fantastic day.